morning, Sunday morning, the 16th November, 2025. It is 8:38, probably high 50s, mid to low 60s, going to about 70, back down to about 35 tonight, back up to about 70 and 35 again. Then it's going to warm up to about 78. Cloudy, maybe rain later in the week. I-75 south from Emerson, exit 283. We've seen some good bit of color. We've got this video numerous times, so probably delete this. We may upload it. I don't know. Our plan right now is to get off at Barrett Parkway, go east on Barrett Parkway, and hook up with Johnson Ferry at some point. Take Johnson Ferry. I'd like to get Johnson Ferry complete, but I think we're going to, unless we turn left and go north, we may miss a little bit of Johnson Ferry going north. But then go Johnson Ferry all the way down south. We'll have to, the way they have configured it going through under 285 is hard to keep up with. But we'll try to stay on Johnson Ferry and come out down on Peachtree Industrial, whatever they call it. And then I want to take North Druid Hills all the way to Valley Brook, all the way down. We may take a side jump through Brookhaven. You know, I just don't know. Ride along with us and find out. Please like, share, and subscribe. We're trying to get the channel to a break-even point, which is probably never going to happen, but we'll never give up, never give in. Keep on plugging away. The shares, the likes help YouTube analyze the stuff and promote it to more people. We generally have about 80% new viewers, about 13% returning viewers, and 3 or 4% what they call casual viewers. We would like to convert many more of those new viewers, but we need to improve our thumbnails, we need to improve our titles, our descriptions. We need help. I'm using AI a little bit, and that has been a big help. Gemini, my daughter likes ChatGPT, and my son-in-law uses ChatGPT. I have dated out on ChatGPT. I like Gemini, and I'm thinking about even paying for the full Gemini version of it, but so far I haven't needed it. This Gemini girl, I'm going to tell you what, she is something else. I've gotten her to do some pretty remarkable things, and also, I've asked her some pretty complex questions about scientific, chemically, about the human body, cellular stuff. This girl puts it together in a coherent, very really good package. And I tell you, I don't know why anybody would pay to go to college nowadays. I know the paper is probably the only thing that's worth anything, but for somebody to pay $50, $60, $70, $100,000 or more to go to college, when all that information is just a question of way, one subject at a time. want the social experience, I guess, but that's an awful lot of money to pay for a social experience. Okay, Ackworth, Georgia, 92. We have 92 all the way across. We could go 92, but we're not. We're going down to Barrett Parkway and cut across. And that's where I think we're going to, if we were to go 92, we'd be able to catch, we'd have to make another side cut or turn off, but we could catch Johnson Ferry at the very end, where this way I think we're going to catch it a couple of miles south. And depending on where it is, we may go to where it ends and then turn and come back down. I mean, we're on our way back to Arcade. Just getting video. So, ride along with us. Ask questions, make comments. Good, bad, or ugly. If I don't like them, I'll delete them. I will try to answer everything if I can. I need help planning. I need help getting up to all the data. I need, a lot of these places we go to, I could give out a whole lot more information, a whole lot more data, make the videos a lot better, but there's a lot to it. There is a lot to this that people don't realize. We try to keep it simple. Just ride around, run our yap. But the different cameras, we use 4 different phone cameras, 2 different Osmos, a GoPro, Insta360, a drone, 2 different underwater drone, above water drone. We haven't used them in a while. But the equipment, the memory cards, the SSD drives to store this stuff, the computer with the hard drive and video cards, everything fast enough and enough memory to edit this stuff. Nothing is cheap. And nothing is that simple. There's a lot to this. We need help. I get tired of running my mouth. Let somebody else do some talking. Says it's going to be clear today, but I guess those thin clouds are going to break up. I can see some blue through the clouds. There's a good little bit of color left. We ran across a good bit of color yesterday. We've still got a couple of videos to get up from yesterday. Going down Johnson Ferry all the way. Nice. We went down north side last week, partway. Well, no, we didn't go north side. We went Powers Ferry. North side's a good drive in the autumn. Atlanta is a city of trees. Uploading it. We just uploaded one telling what we were going to do today, and we may actually stick to what we said, which would be unusual. Yes, I need help with that too. Somebody to keep me on a non-diverted path, or either someone that likes to divert as much as I do. where we need to do. Get it, Honda. There's another one. Get it. Get it. We're running about 60. Some speed racers this morning. We're running 60. They've got to be running 80. We get off. Our ladders on top are going to rattle. The catalytic converter underneath is going to rattle. It'll be a rattle trap. I have no intentions of getting back on a 24 or 20 foot ladder. I sold my 28 and my 40 about 6 years ago. I'm going to keep my 16, but I cannot foresee any reason that I would need to get back on a 20 or a 24. So I've got these for sale. Planning on putting that 2019 van up for sale. SS64 hubcaps, 64 Chevelle Impala hubcaps with a little red SS in the middle. Pillow top, Grand Cherokee, electric seats, pristine condition. We're going to try to sell enough stuff to figure out someone to get us a van with a warranty. Doesn't have to be a new one. But it would be nice if we could get something that we do not have to turn a wrench on. We want to get out across the country and explore the country. Whatever time we're underneath something, turning wrenches, we can be on the road getting videos showing y'all something different. That's a nice color. The thing is, auto repair videos for the last 8 years are the ones that are consistently performing at the upper end of what little money we are making. We're nowhere near even breaking even on gas, much less equipment. But that's part of it. We got a very good note from a lady yesterday. You know, if you're not making money, it's good if you can provide somebody with entertainment and make them, you know, make their life a little bit where they can enjoy stuff without having to get outside and run around. That's why I don't understand why we don't have more older viewers in the nursing homes and stuff. Get out, drive these videos, see the scenery and everything, but our main viewers are between 35 and 45, our biggest viewing audience, and then 45 to 55, but it's strange. Okay, Barrett Parkway, we're going to be getting off. This one's going to be about 14 minutes long. We'll try to put it together and start uploading it. We'll start recording with something else. We're trying to use the phones and upload from them rather than having to, there again, trying to keep stuff simple where we don't have to download to the computer, edit in the computer, then upload from the computer, using up our hotspot data. When we're uploading from the phones, it doesn't count against our hotspot data or premium data, whatever they want to call it. Get a bit of color. We may get some color heading down Johnson Ferry and all. That's nice. Okay, we're going to turn this off. We're going to pull over here in a minute. This will be a wrap. Pull over, try to get this one uploading.